Greetings everyone. Welcome to the Application Development Lab in Computer Science Department. We categorized our lab infrastructure into hardware, software, network, UPS and ICT facilities. Under hardware, we can see the number of systems as 78 plus 2 and 80 18.5-inch LED monitors, and the systems have i3 processor, 4 GB RAM and 500 GB hard disk. Our hardware are powered up with the following softwares to support our lab outcomes. The system contains Ubuntu 14.04 as the OS, and the softwares are Argo UML, Star UML, XAMPP and WAMP servers, Keil, MySQL, ZenMap and Apache Tomcat. We do also have IoT components to support the students to design IoT applications, and the components are Raspberry Pi 3, breadboard, passive infrared sensor, gas detector sensor, laser parameter, IR sensor module, heartbeat pulse sensor, gas sensor MQ2, flame sensor, microphone sound sensor, 3.35E buzzer, X5E relay module, raindrop sensor, vibration switch module and ultrasonic sensor. Our lab is well connected with network switches. Here you can see the 9U Ethernet rack, 4 24 ports and 2 8 ports. Our laboratories are well backed up with 20 kVA UPS system that provides 30 to 45 minutes of backup. We have a well-established ICT facility that includes 65-inch of Android TV and an audio system. Courses that are offered in the laboratory are Software Engineering, Database Management System, and Open Source Web Technologies. Now let us see the outcomes of our offered laboratory courses. Database Management Systems Lab, Analysis of Database System Development Requirement, Design of ER Model, Mapping of Model into Relational Database Design, Development of Relational Database System using RDBMS, and Design and Development of Database Applications using SQL and Java. After comes Software Engineering Lab, Analysis of Requirements, Design of a Solution, and Diagrammatic Representation of Solution using such as Star UML and Argo UML. Outcomes of Open Source Web Technologies Lab, ability to design and develop dynamic web pages using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and PHP with MySQL database, and also ability to analyze open source software and its applications. We use our labs efficiently to do the projects. Here you can see the consolidated figure of 330 field projects and interdisciplinary projects we did in last years. The above listed are few to provide the glimpse on our projects. Home automation. This is an IoT application. Main objectives of this project are to detect smoke, to detect the movement of person or object and give alerts, and monitor weather such as rain, temperature and humidity. It also supports smart lighting system. The hardware components used in this project are Arduino Uno, LDR sensor, ultrasonic sensor, smoke sensor, rain sensor, temperature and humidity sensor. And the next project is vehicle monitoring and tracking system. The main objective of this project is to detect the accident spots and send messages to ambulance, police and family members. The hardware components used are Arduino Uno, GPS module, GSM module and different types of sensors. Online ticket booking system. This comes under another category. The objective of this project is to book bus tickets online, to provide options like ticket cancellation, reservation status, and bus details. The software used in this project is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and MySQL. Faculty profile generation. The objective of this project is to generate well-formatted profiles. The technology used in this project is GitHub, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Google Drive, which acts as database. Last but not least, library management system. The objective of this project is to develop a library management system that helps the user to find a required book. The tools used are ArgoUML, HTML, JSP, JavaScript, and JDBC. Thank you.